guys, welcome to TOTS and Moms. I'm Kavita and today I'll be showing you how to make Tulsi Kashaya, Kashayam or Gadha. This is a great home remedy and naturally it can suppress the cough or cold issues in your kid, or even adults can take this. The reason we need to try out home remedies is because the more medicines we give, our kids become addicted to it and their immunity decreases because these chemicals interact and suppress their immunity. So it's better to try home remedies, isn't it? But definitely when it is not working after 2 days of cough and cold is fine, but if it is too much, you will definitely have to go to your doctor or physician. So let's dive right in and see how to make this Tulsi Kashaya.
Let's first have a look at the ingredients which would be required to make this Tulsi Kashaya or Tulsi Ka Gadha. Let's take a pan. We'll add about a cup of water. Let's add tulsi or basil leaf. This supports respiratory system, provides calming effect. It's a great remedy for acute running nose. It cures cold and cough and supports immunity system. And the peppercorns relieve cold and cough. They fight against infections and it has a great anti-inflammatory property and it treats any respiratory conditions. So the next ingredient is Jaggery powder. It treats flu-like symptoms and it again boosts immunity. So we'll mix all the ingredients well. It's a very simple recipe and a method to make Tulsi Kashaya. So we will have to bring all the ingredients to a boil now. You can see the change in color, and when it boils well, cool it a bit, just a bit, and strain it. Now if the person can drink it hot, it's good. If not, at least it is suggested to drink warm.
So hope you like this simple way of making a home remedy for cold and cough, Tulsi Kashaya. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and comment and share it with your friends who are in need of it. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel if you like this home remedy. If you want me to try and show you more home remedies, do not forget to comment below and let me know. See you soon. Till then, take care of yourself, subscribe and bell icon. Bye-bye.